Okay, we have here another integral from the MIT integration bee. This one's from 1991, problem 13. We have the integral of x squared plus 1 over x to the fourth minus x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, now to get started with this, we could try to factor this denominator, but what I like to do in a case like this where we have x to the fourth, I'm going to want to multiply it through by 1. We'll multiply it by 1 over x squared over 1 over x squared. And I'm just going to distribute all this in here and rewrite the integral. So for the first term, 1x squared times x squared, this is going to give me a 1 in the numerator. Then we're going to have 1 over x squared here. Then doing the denominator, multiplying this in here, this is going to give me x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x squared. And now here, this is where I want to do the factoring of the denominator. Now notice I can factor this two ways. I could write this as x minus 1 over x squared. Multiplying that out, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared. The middle terms will give us a minus 2. Well, we have a minus 1 there, so I need to add a plus 1, so I'm not changing it. And then the other way I could do this is I could write this as x plus 1 over x squared. This gives me x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. If I subtract a 3, that's going to get me back to minus 1. So from these two factorings, which one do I want to choose? Well, I want to choose the one that's going to help me more with the u substitution. So for example, if I were to make my u equal to this, x plus 1 over x, let's just see how that's going to work. So we'll say u equals x plus 1 over x. I'll take a derivative. Du, derivative of x is going to be 1. Derivative of this is going to be minus 1 over x squared dx. And what I'd like to happen is I want my numerator to match what we have here for our du. Well, this is close, but here we have a plus sign, here we have a minus sign, so I don't really like this option. Let's see what happens if I use x minus 1 over x for our u substitution. So we'll say u equals x minus 1 over x. I'll take a derivative. Now we get 1. This becomes plus 1 over x squared dx, and that's exactly what we have in the numerator here. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll set this up. We'll just rewrite the numerator as we have it. And then now for the denominator, we'll use this factoring, x minus 1 over x squared. So now we'll just go ahead and use this substitution that I have over here. So the whole numerator is going to be our du. And then the denominator is going to become just u squared plus 1. But now this is just arctan, so we'll integrate this to get arctan of u. And so we just need to back substitute in order to finish this off. And so for my final solution, I just get arctan of x minus 1 over x plus c, and that's it. Okay, good problem. I like doing these from the MIT 1991. We'll do some more of these. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.